Let's restructure our folder and do some name spacing. What we can tell, like a folder name should be app. First let's delete this. In the app folder we can move controllers and we can move our requests, we can move our router, and what else, we can move our app, and okay, this is our main core files of the app. We can make a folder called models. We will do that. Okay, and if we refresh the page it won't work, you see, not finding. Okay, let's do some namespace, then we will restructure it. Controllers dashboard, so we have to make it namespace like namespace app, this folder name, then controllers this way, and we can copy it, and app should be namespace like namespace app, because this is the in app folder. Then request should be namespace like app, and router also should be namespace like router. Okay, let's compose a autoload again. And let's see what we can see. Class app not found in the bootstrap tree. Okay, let's see in the bootstrap. We this class is not founding because we have to see use app, then this. Let's reload the page. Now router is not founding in the bootstrap, then we have to do like this way. And we can do this like, and then comma router this way as well. So now dashboard controller is not found in the router, line number 43, router.php. Let's see router, where's the router? Here it is not founding. Okay, so we have to say where is the router? Our router in the app slash, oh, not found in controller, router.php 43 apps controllers slash this controller, and we have to make it double because otherwise it won't work. Then we can say controller equal controller, then can say link, then link and cont. Okay, let's see if it's working or not. Yeah, working. So we successfully namespaced everything. No problem at all.